large underwear. Oh, look at what is the pant size or sport size? Pretty big.
So 20. So yeah. So 20.
I have her purple. Another purple. Oh, school, fifth grade?
Yep.
Nice. She's going to love this. Let's go pack.
Racking them up.
Alright, so now we're going to pack this up for Priscilla. She's got purple going on here. School supplies, pens and pencils. Not sure, but she's going to love it. Then we got her 2 shirts, 2 polos. Okay. Then we've got her medium underwear, medium socks. Huge pair of skirts. I haven't fit into a size like this for years, but it might happen now. Here we go, size 8. And finally, oh, I forgot her sweatshirt. I got to go back and get her medium sweatshirt. So just give me a second. You wait right here. I'm going to run back. Okay, 1 medium sweatshirt, and Priscilla is set. Now what I'm going to do now is zip this all up. Got her a great purple, cool purple ensemble going on. And I am going to go pile this by the 5th grade stack, and I'll be back for my next one. Bye.